Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unlink an account in family pairing in TikTok. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now to unlink your teen's account from your account in TikTok, let's do that by opening our TikTok app first. Okay, and let's go to our profile, tapping on the profile button on the bottom right corner of our phone, and you can see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there, and you can see the family pairing option at the bottom of your screen. Tap there. After that, you can see the linked account over here. So in order to unlink your teen's account, just tap into the account, and you can see the unlink button over here. Just tap there and unlink. There guys, your teen's account has been unlinked from your account. So if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you guys.